You collect salary, you never reach your house. You go to market or you go to supermarket. After you have bought some materials, when you reach your house, you will take biro to calculate. Some money will be missing. In some cases, you put your money inside wardrobe and you are the one holding the key. Especially if you are a bachelor, you hold the key. Nobody has access to your wardrobe. Nobody has access to your room. Still, you are still complaining that your money is missing. Your money may be missing spiritually. Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sesan Adewusi, Tantolon, Baba Oloyin gan. Baba Oloyin original. I'm staying at Yesiota. Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. Very close to Sango Ota in Ogun State, Nigeria. The program you are watching today is from Baba Oloyin Original TV. Baba Oloyin Original Television. And the phone number is on the screen. 080 54 74 9455. 080 54 74 9455. But it's advisable to send your messages on WhatsApp. I get another number 0810 84 31 336. 0810 84 31 336. Send your messages on WhatsApp. I will reply you. Today, I want to give you another secret. If you want money to be staying in your hand, Agbanna máa wọnú owó rẹ̀. Agbanna, bad spending. President, I will tell you today again. But before then, don't forget I publish many books. This is Solution to Woman Problems book. Any Power of Honey. Any Honor as a Medicine. I have African Power Part 1, African Power Part 2. And this is my latest book, African Power Part 3. You can get all these my books as e-books on your WhatsApp, email or Gmail. That is to say, you can get the books on your phone. And distance is no way a barrier. We can send the books to you all over the world. All over the world. If you can pay for delivery. Now back to what I earlier said. You know, some people, when you collect salary, you don't stay in your hand. Bad spending. You collect salary, you never reach your house. You go to market or you go to supermarket. After you have bought some materials, when you reach your house, you will take biro to calculate. Some money will be missing. In some cases, you put your money inside wardrobe and you are the one holding the key. Especially if you are a bachelor, you hold the key. Nobody has access to your wardrobe. Nobody has access to your room. Still, you are still complaining that your money is missing. Your money may be missing spiritually. Your money may be missing spiritually. Agbanna, Yoruba call this thing Agbanna. I remember one popular billionaire. Some Afars were praying. Ní rogun Agbanna o. Ní rogun Agbanna o. Ní rogun Agbanna o. No! Àwa ti kọjá Agbanna. Tágbàna bá dé nínú owó tiwa, yóò jẹ yóò bì síbẹ̀, yóò tún kú síbẹ̀ ni. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́ni yẹn? Àìgbọ́ búburú lẹ́nu abọ́ rẹ̀, àfi rere. Ọlọ́run mẹ́ta Agbanna wọnú owó wa o. Agbanna kò dáa. Yes. What you need to do, go and get coconut. A very big coconut. Break it. Get the water. Go and put it in a bottle. Add 1 tablespoon of original honey with it. Shake every day after taking your bath, after using your perfume. Shake very well. Put some in your hand. Do like this. It will dry in your hand. If you see money, you will always gather money. Your money will be staying with you. Your money will not be missing spiritually again. Yes. Agbanna, kò ní wọ́wọ́ wa. And another thing, you will be seeing money. Because nobody knows how water enter coconut. Wọ́n wá mú orí, wọ́n lé mú bá ọ̀nà tómi ń bá wọnú àgbọn, wọ́n wá mú orí. Just shake coconut water and honey. Mix them together. After you have already put them inside the bottle, rub your hand with it. Let it dry your hand. After you have already used your perfume or makeup, go outside. You will be surprised the way you will be seeing money. Yes. Before I go, I must not forget to tell you about this thing. This is hot water soap. For those people that are having spiritual problems, promise and fail, family problems, to remove family causes and family bondages in your life, or you always have promise and fail, buy hot water soap. Ẹni ayé bá ń ṣe kò lè rántí rà, kò lè ráyè rà. Hot water soap. This is coconut oil perfume. You put money inside it, you will always see money, unless they don't spend money again. Ọmọ rówó ni. Yes. Ewé ìsìnkẹ́mìdì ó wà ń bẹ̀. Rẹ́rìn kò mí ó wà ń bẹ̀. Rẹ́rìn kò mí àfàìmọ̀ ni kò ní mọ́ra ó wà ń bẹ̀. Ìsìnkẹ́mìdì ó wà ń bẹ̀. Rẹ́rìn kò mí ó wà ń bẹ̀. 7 different types of leaves ló wà ń bẹ̀. Yes. Ìtún ló ní ẹ̀tún mi ṣe ìfà ló ní ẹ̀fà mi mọ́ra béèrè ló ní ká béèrè mi ó wà ń bẹ̀. Shea butter cream níjó rí bá fojú kórùn ó máa ń yọ. Ayé ayọ́nu sí mi, ayé ayọ́nu sí ẹ, ayé ayọ́nu sí gbogbo wa. You just open this one, touch it, rub your navel with it before you go outside. Yes, you will be seeing money. People will relate to you as if they have seen you before. If they have known you before. Anywhere you go, they'll be asking you, can we help you? What can we do for you? Submit a document. Oh, gbèsè, try kó lò. Yóò bẹ́ẹ̀ fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ̀rọ̀. Hot water soap, coconut oil perfume, shea butter cream. We are selling the three together. They are available now till October ending. Don't call me November ending. You are a musician. This is time. You are a fashion designer. You are a mechanic. You are a bricklayer. You are an MC. Ọmọ ní MC káàkiri. Caterer ni ọ́. You are a fashion designer. Don't wait till when other fashion designer rejecting clothes. Aṣọ tí aláàmù ò lè rán ìwọ wà sáré mọ́ gbà. Tó Ọlọ́run sọ wọ náà o. Wọ́n ń fowó wówó ni o. Yes. Yes, they are available now. They are available now till October ending. Some people will be asking, what do you have in your books? Okay, in this book, only as a medicine, if somebody get hypertension, how to cure your hypertension, high blood pressure, the secret is here. You have asthma cough, the secret is here. You have ulcer, ọgbẹ́ inú, ọmọ máa ń pààyàn, the secret is here. How to cure your ulcer, hypertension, rheumatism, arthritis, the secret is here. Only as a medicine book. African Power Part 2. If they pepper you, pepper and narrow. How to remove pepper and narrow from your body? The secret is here. Or you don't want them to pepper you at all. The secret is here. African Power Part 2. You need crowd puller. Àwòrò tó dájú. Tí ẹ̀gúsí ṣe àtọyìn àti kìnìún kan, melon, onion and small thing. The secret is here. School over Lucina, be defense center, be masalas, and the church here. The secret is here. And this African Power 2, if you always complain, switcher products don't work for you. Green soap, you complain. Yellow soap, you complain. They are not working for you. Buy African Power Part 2. African Power Part 2. They are available now. You can buy the books. I get branches in Lagos State. You can go to Mushin, number 4 Alukola Street to buy my products. If you cannot come to Yesiota, Baba Oloyinbo store Yesiota, I'm there. But I get branches in Lagos State, number 4 Alukola Street, Mushin bus store, Mushin Lagos State. At Barika, go to number 36 Ilajeru Barika. Number 36 Ilajeru Barika. Or you come to Yesiota, Baba Oloyinbo store Yesiota. Monday to Friday, we are there. At Barika, number 36 Ilaje Road. 36 Ilaje Road, Barika. Mushin, number 4 Alukola Street, Mushin bus store, Mushin Lagos State. Or you come to Baba Oloyinbo stop. Baba Oloyinbo stop, Yesiota. Monday to Friday, we are there. Don't forget, you can watch me on Members Only. Kenny Show TV. I loaded some video there. Members Only. If you are part of my member, you join the membership club, you'll be seeing some interesting and very fantastic videos there on Members Only. Till next time when you see me again, remain blessed.